Good morning, children. Today I'm gonna tell you a story of a fat cat with a hat. Once there lived a Pat the rat and Tat the cat in the same house. Tat the cat had many hats in his house, but he was very fond of his red hat and he likes to wear it all the time in his house. Tat the cat also had a red mat in the house where he likes to take nap. One day, Tat the cat went out for some work with his black hat on his head. Moment Tat the cat went out, Pat the naughty rat came out of his bill and went straight to Tat's red mat and took a nap as well. After some time, Tat the cat came back and saw Pat the naughty rat taking the nap on his favorite red mat. Tat got furious and went to catch him, but the naughty rat ran. Pat the naughty rat ran straight to the kitchen and hid behind a vat. Tat the cat also ran behind that naughty rat but could not find him. Tat looked all over the kitchen and even behind the vat. Sadly, no one was there. He assumed that Pat the naughty rat must ran back to his bill. At last, Tat got very tired and went back on his favorite red mat and went to sleep. So now, children, let's recap. Tat the cat, a hat, a mat, Pat the rat, a vat. So children, hope you all enjoyed the story. Have a great learning and thank you. Bye-bye.